Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Azure Functions with storage queue triggers step by step clearly. Open the Azure portal in your web browser. Sign in with your Azure account credentials. In the Azure portal, click on Create a Resource. Search for Function App in the search bar. Select Function App from the list of options. Click the Create button. Fill in the required information in the Basics tab. Choose your subscription from the drop-down menu. Select or create a resource group for your function app. Enter a unique name for your function app. Select the runtime stack you wish to use, such as .NET, Node.js, or Python. Choose the region closest to your users for optimal performance. Proceed to the Hosting tab. Select Storage under the Storage Account section. If prompted, create a new storage account or select an existing one. Choose the plan type for your function app, either consumption or premium. Click on the Next, Networking option. Configure any necessary networking settings, then click Next. Go to the Monitoring tab. Enable Application Insights for monitoring, if desired. Click on Review plus Create to review your settings. Once satisfied, click Create to deploy your function app. After deployment, navigate to your function app overview page. Click on Functions in the left menu. Select the plus Add button to create a new function. Choose the Azure Queue Storage Trigger template. Fill in the required settings for your function. Specify a name for your function. Enter the queue name that triggers the function. Set the storage account connection string for your queue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.